like that.
Me neither.
After I saw that, I was like, oh yeah, I remember hearing that term, sea cow.
Here, we can get over there and pet him. He's close. He's up high now. Here, buddy. I don't want to run into you. I don't want to tip over on you. Oh, there we go.
You got him?
Yeah. Yeah, reach over.
Wait, you reach the other way. Or go the other way.
Oh, there we go.
Got
it?
Yeah. That's how we both.
Right under us. Ready to flip us with his tail.
Did you get him again?
Yeah.
Good thing you brought that.
Yeah, go over there and pet him. Get a little better grab on him. I figure out what it feels like. I mean, it's slimy because of the like algae and stuff on it, but
Rubbery.
yeah, like rubbery, right.
Rubbery.
Yeah. You get him?
Yep.